Shalom, my name is Hadass and I am a teacher of Level 2 at the Rosen School of Hebrew. We are proud to employ the Hebrew in Hebrew method, a proven system of Hebrew language instruction which inspires comprehensive and fast language acquisition, led by a certified native Israeli instructor. During the lesson, you will sit in the comfort of your own home and log into your virtual classroom. Your mouse will become your pen, your screen will become your notebook, and you will see your teacher live all the way from Israel and be able to fully participate in class activities. In this beginner's course, we will focus on communicating in different situations, including at the doctor's, at a restaurant, at the bank, or going shopping. Through these conversations, you will gain fluency and confidence in speaking. You will also learn 350 new words to read fluently, syntax, question words, adverbs of time, adjectives, pronouns, further verbs in present tense and infinitives. During this course, we will introduce further texts and experiences in Israel, as well as a range of written exercises to practice both reading and writing. Through these exercises, you will practice the new vocabulary, as well as your ability to use sentences that are more complex. I hope to see you very soon in one of our classes. להתראות!